Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. So, I've been looking for a great camera, Super 8, for me to make my experimental horror films, a great in-between to film different effects and, you know, expand on what I want to do. And the Fujica Single-8 Z800 is the one that I wanted, and I finally found one. I got it very inexpensively. It's got a few dings and scratches on it, but all the original parts are here, you know, and everything works just fine. The zoom, all that stuff works just like that. Manual and everything. So let's get into a few features. The only thing I'm not going to be using, of course, is this classic case, simply because they're pretty but not practical. Alright, this one's not too pretty, it's really banged up, but it's seen better days. The case for any type of vintage movie camera you want to get is one of these tough cases like this. They're just the way to go. They're going to protect and cushion everything. And with the traveling that I'm doing, you're going through buses and this type of thing, they're going to get banged around. And I always have my camera on hand and that type of thing. So this is the type of case you want to go. Alright? A lot of people would complain and say that, you know, the Single-8 is dead, but you know what? It is not dead. You know, there's still some places, very few though, that that manufacture film for the Single-8. The inside, if you've never seen one, of course, it takes a different type of a cartridge, just like so. I've got this one at 18 frames a second. I'll turn it up right here, 24. And then I've got 36. You know, I've got a bunch of different types of features here, manual and auto, that it's exactly what I was looking for. You know, right here, this especially, the rewind. You know, filming something, I want to pull this up, you know, rewind this a touch, a little bit more. Okay, film another scene, you know, do a type of special effect just like that. So I'm all good. This thing is heavy. It's built like a tank. I'm very, very pleased with that. It's going to give me exactly what I want. You can also, with Super 8, anytime you're having difficulty with the Super 8 cartridges, or you run out of, or you have Super 8 film, you run out of Single-8 film, you're difficult in finding it, get yourself a change bag, take the Super 8 film and a Single-8 cartridge, put them in the change bag, take the Super 8 and change it out from the cartridge into the cartridge of the Single-8, and you're good and ready to go. That is a beauty of these Single-8s. So this one, I just love it. It's really great. It's going to help me out a lot of what I need it for. I've got all the parts to, like I said, that need to go back on there. I just got to stick them on there and do a little bit of TLC. But other than that, we're doing good, and I'm really happy. Alright, do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya!